Boosting your natural energy levels can be achieved through strategic dietary adjustments. Everyone experiences days of fatigue, but many struggle with persistent low energy impacting daily life. Fortunately, simple changes in diet can significantly improve vitality and readiness. Here are 5 essential dietary adjustments to naturally boost energy levels. 1. Start your day with a wholesome breakfast. Skipping breakfast can lead to lethargy throughout the day. A balanced breakfast boosts metabolism and provides essential morning energy. Research published in Physiology and Behavior shows breakfast eaters exhibit better cognitive performance and alertness compared to those who skip this meal. Key components to include are whole grains. Opt for oatmeal, whole grain bread, or quinoa for sustained glucose release. Incorporate eggs, yogurt, or plant-based proteins to stave off mid-morning energy dips. Fruits and vegetables. Add berries, bananas, or spinach for vital vitamins and minerals supporting overall energy levels. 2. Maintain hydration for vitality. Dehydration often causes fatigue and mood disturbances. According to the Journal of Nutrition, even mild dehydration can impact energy levels and cognitive function. Adequate water intake supports optimal physical performance. Hydration tips. Drink regularly. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, adjusting based on activity and environment. Consume water-rich foods. Foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges contribute to daily hydration needs. While coffee provides a temporary energy boost, excessive consumption can lead to dehydration and subsequent fatigue. Moderate caffeine is advised. 3. Choose smart snacks for sustained energy. Go for snacks that maintain stable energy levels rather than causing sudden blood sugar spikes and crashes. Recommended snacks are nuts and seeds, like almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are rich in protein, healthy fats, and fiber, stabilizing blood sugar and promoting satiety. Fresh fruit like apples, berries, and oranges offer natural sugars and fiber for enduring energy boosts. 4. Incorporate iron-rich foods. Iron is essential for oxygen transport and maintaining energy levels. Iron deficiency, a widespread nutritional disorder affecting over 30% of the global population according to the World Health Organization, can lead to severe fatigue and weakness. Key sources are non-heme iron foods like spinach, lentils, and chickpeas. Pair with vitamin C-rich foods such as bell peppers or citrus fruits to enhance iron absorption. 5. Minimize processed sugars. Resist the temptation of sugary snacks for quick energy fixes, as they often lead to energy crashes. Foods high in refined sugars like candy and soda cause rapid blood sugar spikes followed by sharp declines, resulting in increased fatigue. These dietary adjustments can effectively enhance natural energy levels, promoting a more energized and productive day.